Northern Brewer HomeBrewing starter set equipment for making 5 gallons of homemade beer. If you are looking for the best 5-gallon brew kettle and you want everything that you will need to get started with your beer brewing operations, then take a look at the Northern Brewer HomeBrewing Start Set. This is a complete starter kit and is currently one of the top-rated options in terms of kits that can be used to brew beer at home that you will need during the process of brewing your own beer. This particular kit is perfect for beginners due to the inclusion of an instructions manual that tells you everything that you need to know about beer brewing. This kit comes with a recipe kit, a fermenter, a bubbler airlock, a bottling bucket, a stainless steel brew kettle, a siphon tubing system, and more. The system is extremely easy to clean and to sanitize before you start the process of brewing beer. The entire system costs just over $100, which makes this an ideal option for beginners since it comes with a complete kit that does not only allow you to boil your liquid but takes you through the entire process.